Yesterday's Rambling with Rebecca was basically a giant disclaimer for everything that I'm going to say for the next 3 years. That's because, of course, the point of a PhD is to explore new territory, and exploring means getting things wrong at the beginning. That being said, I want to hopefully say something useful sometime before 3 years have lapsed. So we're going to start rambling about the things that I'm reading and discussing with my supervisor and working on, and we'll see how things go. My PhD overall at King's College London, under Naho Miramachi, is on environmental peace building in the Middle East and North Africa. I'm interested in looking at cool things that are happening in the region, trying to kind of push against the Western popular media discourses that are very focused on guns and bombs and yucky things, and show some of the other stuff that's very much part of everyday life in the region. And then also interested in looking at environmental peace building, which is cool from both a professional and personal perspective, in that, as an activist and a social justice advocate, environmental peace building is potentially very cool and exciting. It's also interesting from an academic point of view, in that it's quite new, as a phrase, as a trend, as a rationale even. It's not widely, universally agreed upon in the literature what environmental peace building is or means. There aren't that many people using that phrase. It's fairly new, more or less, in activism and advocacy, at least with the explicit rationale. It's something that very much has kind of emerged in the past 2-ish decades. It's in my experience, it's far mostly used in a Middle Eastern context. I think probably as a response to kind of the water wars, doom and gloom threats of the 1990s. But one of the things that I'll be doing over the next 3 years is seeing whether or not that's true. And PhDs are interesting in that, you spend 3 years in order to say something. So the idea is that, with my PhD, I'm going to more fully bring environmental peace building into academia, and theorize it well, and, suggest, a conclusive definition for it, and that kind of thing. But in order to start doing that, I have to give some kind of early working definition of environmental peace building. So that's what we're going to do today, knowing that quite possibly in 3 years, this definition will have done a 180. And as mentioned yesterday, would very much appreciate feedback on this. So if you think that this is a great idea, if you think this is a terrible idea, if you see examples of it happening wherever you are, send them along, please. If you've got, other academic citations, whatever. Tweet, Facebook, email me, ramblings@RebeccaFarnum.com, whatever you'd like. Okay, so that being said, environmental peace building, to me, for now, refers to the process of using natural resources to bring people together across political and cultural divides. It's that simple. It's that complex. It's purposefully very broad, and quite vague. The idea, the rationale, is that we can use the environment and its resources, land, water, oil, gas, coral reef, biodiversities, agricultural techniques, have I already mentioned food, whatever, to bring people together. Perhaps this is because the environment is something, kind of special and shared that we can, kind of separate from, politics and, other things. There's a reason that when we, go to retreat, we go someplace like serene and quiet in nature with, mountains or forests or whatever, instead of a corporate, office room. Nature potentially, hopefully, gives a different kind of space, right, and allows for a different kind of conversation. So that's the idea. So environmental peace building isn't necessarily environmentalism, right? It's actually focused on human relations. It's just using the environment, as a way to get at that. That being said, it's also not a bad thing if we happen to be environmentally sustainable while we're doing, human relations work. So that's environmental peace building in a nutshell. I would love to know what you think, if you see it happening, if you think it's something that would ever work, or if it's just, haha, yeah, right, good try.